Does Panasonic TV have screen mirroring? Yes, most Panasonic Smart TVs have screen mirroring, but the available method depends on the model and operating system. Many Panasonic TVs support Miracast, Chromecast, or AirPlay, allowing users to mirror their smartphones, tablets, or laptops wirelessly. However, some older or budget models may have limited screen mirroring features. 1. Panasonic Smart TVs support Miracast. Many Panasonic TVs come with Miracast, a built-in wireless display feature that allows users to mirror their Android devices and Windows PCs without needing extra apps or devices. This is useful for streaming videos, displaying photos, and sharing presentations. 2. Screen mirroring via Chromecast and AirPlay. Some Panasonic Smart TVs, especially those running Google TV, Android, have Chromecast built in, enabling easy mirroring from Android and Google Chrome browsers. Newer high-end models may also support Apple AirPlay, allowing iPhone, iPad, and Mac users to mirror their screens. 3. How to use screen mirroring on Panasonic TVs. To mirror your device to a Panasonic Smart TV, for Miracast, Android are on Windows. Go to Settings, then Screen Mirroring on your TV, then enable wireless display on your phone or PC. For Chromecast, open the Google Home app on your device and select Cast, Screen Audio to find your Panasonic TV. For AirPlay, ensure AirPlay is enabled in the TV settings, then open Control Center on your iPhone or iPad, select Screen Mirroring, and choose your Panasonic TV. 4. Some models may require third-party apps. If your Panasonic TV does not have built-in screen mirroring, you can use third-party apps like AirScreen for Android-based TVs or an external Chromecast or Apple TV device to enable mirroring. 5. Screen mirroring limitations on older TVs. Older Panasonic TVs or budget models may not support wireless screen mirroring. In such cases, users can connect their devices via HDMI cables or streaming devices like Chromecast, Fire TV Stick, or Apple TV for mirroring capabilities. Most Panasonic Smart TVs support screen mirroring through Miracast, Chromecast, or AirPlay, depending on the model. If your TV lacks built-in mirroring, third-party apps or external devices can enable this feature.